Welcome to 4908 Millerwood Drive, located in Nashville, Tennessee. This mid-century ranch was built in 1960, but has all the modern amenities that you are searching for in your new home. This incredible rancher has been completely remodeled and is now move-in ready. Upgrades in your new home include solid hardwood flooring throughout, an amazing chef's kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a professional-grade 5-burner gas range, and an open concept floor plan. There's 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths, including this amazing master suite that has its own private half bath. Right off the kitchen, you'll find this amazing sunken bonus room, complete with custom built-ins and a desk, perfect for your next home office. The bonus room features French doors that lead right out to your private, fully fenced backyard. Your new backyard is absolutely amazing, as this home sits on almost 1/2 of an acre. It includes a covered patio, built-in vegetable gardens, a fire pit area, as well as a brand new shed that can also be purposed as a detached garage. This home is located in the popular and growing area of South Nashville, which is less than a 20-minute drive to downtown. South Nashville's vibrant and international community allows for you to try authentic street tacos right down the street, or hop into Nashville Zoo and check out some of their unusual inhabitants. Your new home is only minutes away from some of Nashville's most popular commercial districts, such as 12th South, Berry Hill, and the growing 8th South area. If you're on 8th South, don't forget to stop into Hattie B's and check out a Nashville original hot chicken. If you'd like more information on this property, visit 4908millerwood.com or call or text the number on your screen. On behalf of the Adams Girls team and Amerikey Realty, we'd like to thank you, Nashville, for trusting us with all of your real estate needs.